What is going on? I'm back with another video here. So just wanted to touch base with the video that I made yesterday about my fully built PC and everything. I ended up ordering this guy right here. It's from Cablemod. It is the C-Series Pro Mod Mesh. It's going to be 3 8-pin connectors because my video card requires 3. Some require 4, so they also have a 4-pin as well you could get. But yeah, this is the cable here, and let's open it. So I think there's another version. It's like the basics version. It's a little bit cheaper than this one here. This one was 32 bucks Canadian, and it's got a nice connector here. So this is going to be it. Cablemod. That's your 16-pin. And yeah, this is just going to go right into that plug there, and then the rest of the 3 8-pins right here are going to go right into your motherboard. So it's going to clean this up significantly. This is what you get when you buy the 4090. You get these 3 adapters here. Then you got to have your cables coming out and plugging in. And I also have a white PSU because I did have a white case back in the day. And I bought the Cablemod sleeve extensions just so you wouldn't see any white cables in here. And I have that going on in there, so it's pretty full. So this is going to really reduce a lot of clutter as well. So yeah, guys, just want to show you that. It's going to clean this up significantly. And let's show. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, as you see, it's a lot cleaner with just the one wire. It's a lot cleaner than having those 3 cables. These guys here. Plus I had extensions as well. So this is what I took out of my system. So I had, these were the extensions here. So I had the actual PCIe cables going into an extension and then that going to the adapter. It was just too much stuff. So that's 2, and then the other cord. Oh, I'm using the other cord, I should say. So yeah, anyways, that was a lot of just unnecessary bulk in my case. I don't have the biggest case in the world, so it was nice to kind of get that out. But yeah, it looks a lot better. And we're going to turn on the computer in 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, here's the finished result. So cable looks great in there, just having that one cable. You could see more of the RGB now. It's not kind of cut off like the other cables were doing before. Let me see if I can just turn down this ISO here. There you go. Get a nice look at the RGB. So yeah, guys, that is it. Build is finally done. Only thing I got to do now is just, I don't have any RGB for some reason coming out of the rad fans. I just probably have to reinstall the software. But everything else is done. All the parts are installed. I got my cable down there. And yeah, guys, that's it. So I'll start probably making some videos soon of like gaming on this thing. But yeah, the build is finally complete. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.